3, 2, 1.
Which is the first video to be streamed over the internet? The answer is D. Netscape Navigator demo. Which school supply is used for measuring angles and distances? The answer is A. Ruler. What was the name of the club Martin and his friends hung out at on the popular 90s sitcom Martin? The answer is D. Nipsey's Club. What is the motto of Argentina? The answer is C. En Unión y Libertad. In what year did the TV series ALF debut? The answer is D. 1986. How the individuals in a population are spread throughout their habitat is referred to as what? The answer is A. Population distribution. What is the unit for electric current?
The answer is A. Ampere.
In Cairo, Indiana Jones is racing against the Nazis to find the Ark first. He enlists his Egyptian friend to help. What is his name? The answer is B. Salah. An engineer is analyzing which areas in a city might become flooded if there are heavy rains. Which of the following maps is best to use for this analysis? The answer is D. A map showing the elevations of ground surfaces. 3 of the following terms mean one and the same thing: fear of storms. Which is the fourth one that is related to sleep? The answer is D. Clinophobia. What was Doug's cousin's name in the TV series The King of Queens? The answer is D. Danny. If it bleeds, we can kill it was a quote that spelled trouble for a space critter. In which film was it uttered? The answer is C. Predator. A mola mola might live where? The answer is C. Bay of Bengal. What is the official currency of the European Union? The answer is B. Euro. If a place has experienced flooding, what could be responsible? The answer is B. There has been excess condensed water vapor. Which of these is a non-living part of a forest? The answer is B. Soil. Charlotte York, one of the main characters in Sex and the City, named her dog after which celebrity? The answer is D. Elizabeth Taylor. Which of the following metals will be attracted to a magnet? The answer is C. Iron. Who developed the theory of tabula rasa?
The answer is B. John Locke.
What is the title of Ernest Hemingway's Nobel Prize-winning work? The answer is D. The Old Man and the Sea. What is the name of the compound that makes table salt?
The answer is A. Sodium chloride.
What instrument is used to play reggae music primarily? The answer is D. Drums. What is the name of Queen's rock opera based on the story of Christ? The answer is C. We Will Rock You. In an acidic medium, add which ions to balance? The answer is B. Hydrogen. A broom's counterpart for sweeping floors, specifically hard ones. The answer is A. Mop. Which other team member do you meet first in the PS2 game Final Fantasy X? The answer is A. Auron. What is the unit of time used by astronomers to measure very long periods? The answer is D. Millennium. Human actions affect the environment. Which human action affects the smallest area of the environment? The answer is C. Digging a new landfill. We watch TV thanks to which of these processes forming light? The answer is B. Cathodoluminescence. What does pushing an object over the surface of a ramp cause? The answer is A. Friction. What is the smallest unit of data storage in a computer called? The answer is A. Bit. Who is known for the study of aggression and its causes? The answer is B. Albert Bandura. Which book is about a quest for the Holy Grail? The answer is D. Sir Gawain and the Green Knight. Which programming language was used to write the first version of Unix operating system? The answer is A. C++. Which gas forms when limestone CaCO3 reacts with acid? The answer is A. Carbon dioxide. What historical fiction movie is based on Operation Wrath of God, which was directed by the Israeli government and the Mossad? The answer is C. Munich. What's the smallest ocean in the world? The answer is D. Southern. Why does ice wedging occur? The answer is C. Water expands. Dr. Hannibal Lecter aids Clarice Starling in finding serial killer Buffalo Bill in which 1991 movie? The answer is A. The Silence of the Lambs. Which animated series features a family of mutants living in a mansion? The answer is D. The Amazing World of Gumball. Which statement is best supported by the chemical equation shown? 6CO2 plus 12H2O plus light C6H12O 6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. The answer is D. 6 molecules of CO2 are needed as reactants. Which book is set in a dystopian future where the government controls citizens' thoughts? The answer is A. Brave New World. What was the sequel to Louisa May Alcott's Little Women? The answer is B. Little Men. What vegetable is often green when unripe but red when ripe? The answer is A. Tomato. What was the name of the town featured in the movie Blazing Saddles? The answer is C. Rock Ridge. What actress portrayed Kate Tanner on the hit TV sitcom ALF? The answer is D. Ann Skeding. During the winter, production of what amine involved in the sleep-wake cycle may be affected by less sunlight hours? The answer is A. Melatonin. In what country did the hat called Ushanka originate? The answer is D. Russia. How many calories kcal is equivalent to 1 pound? The answer is C. 3,500. What happens to the core of a star when it begins to run low on hydrogen?